Hello, my name's Rob Flowers and I'm an illustrator and character designer. I've worked for clients such as Nike, Red Bull, New York Times, Time Out and Google. In this journey, I've produced illustrations for TV commercials, music videos, fashion collections, and even edible posters. With a backdrop of a horde of vintage action figures and Happy Meal toys in my studio, I create illustrations that embody my love of humour, ghoulish characters, psychedelic colours, and food in a human form. They are trippy, a bit exaggerated, almost grotesque. That brings a sense of silly fun joy to people who come across my work. From this style, I illustrate sets of characters that are applied to bags, t-shirts, shoes, and other items. A good character design can communicate complex ideas and emotions and really enhance any commercial project. In this Domestika course, we will learn how to produce a set of character designs for use on products. For the final project, you will produce cohesive characters for t-shirt designs, repeat fabric prints, and stickers for social messaging. To get started, I will show you some of the principles of character design from looking at our mood boards. Then we will talk about the brief and how to understand them. I will show you how to identify a number of possible themes for our characters. We will go through the process of choosing a colour range for a particular project. In the next step, I will show you the first thumbnails and character roughs. We will take our ideas to the computer to fully colour and make our final tweaks. After that, I will show you how to format your designs to be placed onto different products and online. By the end of this course, you'll be able to create from heroes to villains and commercialise them to be stamped onto any kind of object. To follow my steps, you need basic drawing skills, a computer with Adobe Illustrator loaded on it, and a good working knowledge of the program. Learn to design the characters you have in the back of your mind and give life to any product.